Okay, this is a flight test of the XK X350. We're at a soccer field. It has a couple of soccer fields here. There's over that side and all the way over on this side. We got this much area to run this on. So, camera guy, keep your eye on it. I'm going to take off quick. Arm it. Okay, ready? Follow it up. 1, 2, 3. And this is in low rate right now. And do a punch here in low rate. This is out of the box settings. There is nothing changed on this one whatsoever. And I'm not even pitching it down far enough. There we go. Do a full pitch run on this as far as I can before it hits the ground. Ready? Had to let off the pitch there. Getting a little close. All right, we're going to switch over to high rate. And the pitch is much deeper on the high rate, so I'm going to have to get it up a little bit higher to get some pitch on it. The thing is almost horizontal. It is almost horizontal in the high rate with the pitch. Try this one more time. Yeah, you can't even really keep going with it unless you're really high up, because it's going to drop even at full throttle out of the box. In high rate, that pitch is almost horizontal. So let's go ahead and get a couple little views of the pitch, roll, and yaw in each rate mode. Let's switch it back down to low rate. And here's your roll. Here's your roll in low rate. Pitch in low rate. Just turn it sideways so you can see that pitch. And here's your yaw rate. I don't know if we got a good view of that. Let's get a little closer here. There's your yaw. Pitch. And roll and pitch. Okay, we're going to switch over to high rate. Here's your yaw and high rate. It's about the same, it's a little bit faster. But your pitch and roll, here's your roll. You got much more roll. And you definitely have much more pitch. When you hit that throttle when you're pitching, it goes almost horizontal. Do a little punch out from in the air already. It's not too bad. I tell you, I'm no expert on flying yet when it comes to acro, so I'm not even going to bother with acro right now. I have tried it. I've already cracked up one of these things pretty bad, so I'm not even going to bother with it right now until I get a little better. So let's go ahead and do another punch out. 1, 2, 3. Well, it's not too bad. Let's go ahead and do some flying around here. This thing is really stable. Don't see too much of a problem in it. I have noticed that you do get a little bit of wobble in it when you get some prop wash, but otherwise it's pretty stable. When it fights the breeze that's out here too, it gets a little bit of a wobble. But that's pretty much only when I'm trying to turn fast. I don't even know how fast this thing's going, but I'm estimating about 50 miles an hour with full throttle. And there's my beeper. Fun time is over on this one. Go ahead and land it. Okay, let me shut that beeper off. Okay, XK X350. That was my first flight test on this one. Like I said, I'm no good with acro yet. I'm working on it, and I've already killed one of these things doing acro, trying to learn. So at least you got a basic flight test here. You see how it works, and thanks for watching.